Hello guys, hope doing good. Now I'm come back again and this to you new method, new topics. All right. So if you want to learn how you can duplicate photos and videos from on your iPhone, so how can you can do it like this? So sometime we need to duplicate photos and videos for depend on your personal needs. All right. So if you want to do like this, then you can just should go photos options. Then you can see many options here, and I'm just tap here recent option here in showing many videos and photos. All right. So I want to just duplicate like this food. Okay. Then I just tap here and hold few second, and here I'm showing many options like copies and share and favorite and duplicates. I need to duplicate. All right, I find it, and also many options. So I don't read another thing. I just got it the duplicate. Then I just tap here duplicate. Okay, now scroll down. Here in coming the last one. This food, this rice and egg. This coming here. So done. It's easy and you can do it. All right. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button and let me know if you face any problem. Thanks. Bye bye.